So this is a 2003 Vauxhall Astra Sportive, and we're going to do a headlight restoration using a Headlight Restore US wipe kit, which you can find available at eastcoastmilitary.com. And basically this is the state of the light before we get around to giving it a polish. And as you can see from the other side, this is how they should look. So it's quite a difference between the lights. You'll notice it's all yellow and quite matte finished. So we open wipe one and unfold it, and as you can see it's pink and quite wet, and all we do is just start to gently put it onto the dry light and rub it on nice and gently, and just keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing, and you'll start to see all this yellow start to come off the front of the light. So any tough spots you find, you just come along and just go over them a little bit more. And you can start to see already this is nice and clean. A little bit over here. Okay, once you've done that, you should find your light is nice and bright and you're ready for cloth number 2. So with cloth number 2, you don't unfold it, you just basically leave it solid, and just like that, and just start to rub it straight over the top of the lights, and this basically makes the light go back to its normal state. Quite the marked difference between what was there before and now. Obviously this sheet number 2 is used to doing only one light at the moment, but it's really made for 2. So, but I haven't chosen to do the other light, I've only done this one because the other one's fine. And that's it, you're ready to go. You should be able to see my reflection in me in the light. So there I am, and a nice clean bulb. Perfect, beautiful looking lamp from 2 wipes, simple.